Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into something quick, useful, and totally up to date: how to view someone's Instagram QR code. Whether you're connecting with new people, sharing your profile easily, or just exploring what's new in the app, this is a feature worth knowing about. First, grab your phone and open the Instagram app. Make sure it's updated to the latest version so everything looks the same as what you'll see here. Once Instagram is open, head over to the profile of the account whose QR code you want to view. You can do this by searching their username or tapping their name anywhere you see it on the app. Next, look at the top right corner of their profile page. You'll see three small dots. These open a menu with a few different options. Go ahead and tap those three dots. Now, in that menu, you'll notice something labeled QR code. Tap on it, and just like that, Instagram will bring up that user's personalized QR code. It shows up right on the screen and can be scanned by anyone to take them directly to that account's profile. You can also save or share that QR code as an image if you want to send it to someone later or post it somewhere else. It's a fast and secure way to connect without needing to spell out usernames or type long links. And that's it, simple, right? Just open Instagram, go to the person's profile, tap on the three dots in the corner, and select QR code. Whether you're networking, promoting your brand, or adding friends, this built-in feature makes it easier than ever to connect on Instagram. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.